Alright, let's go ahead and stop there. Okay, I got you. So go ahead and sit down on the rope. Straighten your legs up. I'm sorry, so you're making an L. Look at my body, how I am right now. Okay, so Brittany, walk your feet up. Hardest part. This is the hardest part about clay. There you go. Create that L with your body. Walk your feet up a little bit more. Put your feet up a little more. Feet up high. Feet up higher.
It's okay. Look at her.
Okay. Grab the rope. I'm going to lower you down a little bit. This is what it's going to be like when you get to the top. Okay? So when you get to the top, you're going to yell down, take! As loud as you can, okay? And then I'll take all the slack out. And when you're ready to come down, because I won't be able to see you too